Welcome to our channel. If you want to earn cryptocurrency through staking and generate passive income, follow these step-by-step instructions to start staking your digital assets. Step 1. Research proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies that offer staking rewards such as Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, Solana, or Cosmos. Each has different reward rates and requirements. Step 2. Choose a staking method between native wallet staking, exchange staking, or staking pools based on your technical skills and desired level of control. Step 3. If using an exchange, select a reputable platform like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken that offers staking services with competitive rates and security features. Step 4. Purchase the cryptocurrency you want to stake through your chosen exchange or transfer existing holdings to your staking platform or wallet. Step 5. Navigate to the staking section of your platform and select the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Review the annual percentage yield, lockup periods, and terms. Step 6. Choose the amount you want to stake and confirm the transaction. Be aware that some coins require minimum staking amounts or have lockup periods. Step 7. Monitor your staking rewards regularly through your platform's dashboard. Rewards are typically distributed daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on the cryptocurrency. Step 8. Decide whether to compound your rewards by restaking them for exponential growth or withdraw them as passive income based on your financial goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.